with initial concentration Ca0, final concentration Ca1 or Ca simply. And Ca is 0.21, Ca0 0.6, volume is known, V0 is known. Use the same mole balance, CSTR mole balance, and we got one equation K 0.1 to the power n is equal to 0.0125. Now consider two reactors CSTR in series with V2 same 400 centimeter cube, V0 50 centimeter cube per minute. Again you substitute tau1. What is tau1? Tau1 is 400 by 50. So first reactor C1 is not known. Second reactor, write this tau1 tau1 is 0.6 minus C1, C1 is not known, and K C1 to the power n, C2 is 0.21, second reactor, and C0 is 0.6. So second reactor mole balance we can substitute C2, still C1 is unknown, and V2 by V0 is known. Then 8 K 0.1 to the power n is equal to, this is 8, 400 by 50. C1 minus 1.1. Two equations are there. Then solve for C1. C1 will become 0.2. First reactor we got K 0.1 to the power n 0.0125. This you substitute to the second reactor mole balance. I have substituted 8 into 0.1 is equal to C1 minus 0.1. So intermediate concentration is 0.2. Then you substitute in the mole balance of second reactor. As tau1 is equal to tau2, you can equate the mole balances. Two mole balances are same. C0 minus C1 by K, C1 to the power n is equal to C1 minus C2 by K, C2 to the power n. And from here you can find out the order of the reaction. Here again n is equal to 2 we are getting. And use the second reactor mole balance, find out rate constant. Rate constant is 1.25. So the rate equation is minus RA 1.25 Ca square. Now this is the new topic, that is say multiple reactors or single reactors, whatever it is, you have to optimize. So with a single reactor, that optimization will be described here. Let us consider the first order reaction. First order reaction, A2 R, RR is equal to KCA, this is not CR, KCA is to be carried out in a mixed reactor. We have to optimize the size of reactor for minimum cost. The process may be carried out with or without separation of the unreacted reactant. So this optimization we can perform either reactor connected with a separator or reactor without separator. See, if the purity of the product is 98%, 99%, if you are satisfied with this purity, do not use a separator. You can optimize the reactor volume. But if the percentage of product is very less, say 70% or 80%, then 20% unreacted material should be separated and one reclaiming unit is required. So we have to find two different type of optimization cases with separator and without separator. Let us consider the reactor without reclaiming unit or separator. Separator means suppose you are having organic two products, you can separate using distillation. You can separate with extraction, solvent extraction method, absorption method. So any method can be used after reactor. Now the cost of the reactant we can assume CR, rupees per kilomole of A. Feed rate FA0 kilomole per hour. And fixed cost, that is cost of reactor, cost of installation, overhead, these are the fixed cost. And labor cost, this is operating cost. So these costs are directly function of reactor volume, function of reactor size. So we can write CM in rupees per hour per liter of reactor volume. Achha, why time is used? Actually, for any installation, always some portion will be deducted as depreciation. So per year some cost is considered. So yearly basis or hourly basis we can consider the cost of the plant. So CM is in rupees per hour. And gradually the cost installation, this total cost will reduce with time, and after certain times, that is after 10 years or 15 years, it will reach the depreciated value and we have to install a new plant. So we can assume CM is this cost per liter volume of reactor per hour. And as we are taking or considering 1 hour operation as a basis, then total cost is reactor volume multiplied by CM and plus reactant cost, it is included in operating cost, reactant cost CR, rupees per kilomole of A, and FA0 is molar flow rate of A, so CA0 into CR. This is the total cost. And this cost function, this is called the objective function. Now find the optimum cost for a desired production rate FR, because always production rate is specified. Say the plant capacity is 1 TPD or 100 TPD, tons per day. You can write in terms of hour or hourly basis. Volume, if we consider a CSTR, FA0 XA by rate of reaction KCA0 1 minus XA, as it is first order. Then total cost CT, as per the previous equation, volume of the reactor multiplied by CM. So volume of the reactor multiplied by CM. And what is FR? FR is FA0 into XA. This is reactant flow rate, FR. And second term, what is second term? Second term is this FAI, sorry, this is previous sheet. FA0 multiplied by CR. And what is CR, you know? So FA0 we can write FR by XA again. that is a product molar flow rate divided by conversion, that is FA0. So just FA0 will be replaced by FR because it is given for a fixed production rate FR. We have to optimize the cost or find out the optimum reactor volume. And then differentiate this cost function with respect to conversion. Here conversion is the independent variable, so you are differentiating with respect to conversion. Sometime you will find for second order kinetics, you know the M parameter, that is molar ratio. In that case, we have to differentiate with respect to M, that is independent variable, may be anything. Here with respect to conversion, we have to differentiate to get the optimum conversion level, X optimum. If we have the X optimum, this you substitute in the volume expression to get the V optimum. That is cost, total cost, CT, optimum cost, per unit production rate, that is FR, is given by this equation. So this is the optimum or minimum cost for the particular production rate FR. And if we have a reactor connected with a separator, FA0 is the molar flow rate, and from reactor outlet flow rate is FAI 1 minus XA, and this fraction of unreacted A is separated in a separation unit and recycled back to the reactor. So what is the recycled stream? FAI 1 minus XA, same, say completely separated and recycled. So the same flow rate FAI 1 minus XA is added to the feed again. And at this junction, we can do a mole balance. That is FA0, FAI and FAI 1 minus XA. In between these three stream, we can do a mole balance. And the cost objective function, total cost function, will be slightly different. FA0 multiplied by reactant cost plus separation cost, CS. Then from material balance, at that junction, FAI 1 minus XA is added with FA0, and after mixing these two streams, supplied to the reactor as FAI, that is at the inlet of the CSTR. Again, FAI is FA0 by XA. So VR is equal to FAI XA by KCA0 1 minus XA, and write the cost function after substitution of volume and cost CM, CR, CS. Then differentiate with respect to XA, we will get the minimum cost. So whenever you will get some problem with related with optimum reactor volume or minimum cost, then you follow this procedure. This is the example of optimization problem. 100 moles of A per hour are available in a concentration of 0.1 mole per liter by a previous process. This stream is to be reacted with B to produce R and S. Rate constant K, 5 liter mole inverse hour inverse. The amount of R required is 95 mole per hour, In extracting R from the reacted mixture, A and B are destroyed. That is node separation unit. In extracting R from the reacted mixture, A and B are destroyed. Unreacted material are destroyed. Hence, recycle of unused reactant is out of the question. Calculate the optimum reactor size and type as well as feed composition. That is reactor size, type, means we don't know whether it is CSTR or plug flow. So this optimum you have to compare both for CSTR and PFR. Calculate the optimum reactor size and type as well as feed composition for this purpose. B cost 56.25 per mole in crystalline form, that is solid B after crystallization. It is highly soluble in aqueous solution and even when present in large amounts does not change the concentration of A in solution. So it has no effect on A. Capital and operating cost are 0.68 for plug flow, 0.18 for mixed flow in hourly basis per liter volume of reactor. That is per liter of plug flow reactor, it is 0.68 rupees per hour. And per liter of mixed flow reactor, it is 0.18. Mixed flow, it is less. PFR, it is more costly. So we have to optimize, that is plug flow is costlier than mixed flow, whether it is feasible to use a plug flow. So this type of optimization cases in real life you have to do. Basis 1 hour operation of CSTR minus RA or minus RB is written 5 CACB. Substitute in the rate kinetics 5 Ca square 1 minus Xa m minus Xa. M is the molar ratio of Cb0 by Ca0 and it is given 10 times of Cb0 because Ca0 is known. So M is 10 times of Cb0 and mole balance V by V naught is equal to Ca0 Xa by minus Ra, Cb0 Xb by minus Rb, and Fb0 is minus RbV by Xb is equal to this. So this is one equation in terms of Fb0. Write the cost objective function Ct. The cost is given 56.25. Then rate equation that is multiplied by Fb0 and Fb0 is given this. So Fb0 multiplied by 56.25 this plus 0.818 V. It is for CSTR. Cost is 0.18 per unit volume of CSTR. So this is fixed cost. Then after simplification with this equation, Fa0Xa is Fb0Xb, and this equation we can simplify Fb0 in terms of Fa0Xa by Ca0Xa multiplied by Cb0 or 1000 Cb0. So Fb0 we can get it from concentration, 1000 concentration of B, Cb0. Then you substitute all in the expression of volume. and you will get 38000 10 CP0 minus this. Then again, you cost expression, you can simplify. Then you differentiate here, not in terms of conversion. Here CB0 is the variable. So this total cost you have to differentiate in terms of CB0. And conversion is fixed, 95% it is given. So during discussion in theory, I told that parameter you have to decide seeing the expression. In this expression, this cost is expressed in terms of CB0. After substitution of all equation, after simplification, we are getting. Then you differentiate with respect to CB0. I'm not showing all the steps because if you do yourself, you can get it. CB0 is 0.208 mole per liter, and this is the optimum CB0. Then this CB0 is substitute in the cost expression, you will get the minimum cost 17168 rupees, and reactor volume 33,628.3. And you repeat this problem for plug flow reactor again. Only this will change 0.68 because plug flow reactor this cost is greater than the CSTR cost, that is 0.68. For capital and operating cost total, everything is given 0.68 per liter per hour of plug flow reactor. So objective function here 0.68 multiplied by V, and what is 56.2? Cost of B in crystalline form. Okay, this will be discussed in the next. Achha. So for test, this is up to this, it is included.
হ্যালো স্যার।
হ্যালো
স্যার আমি অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিতে পারলাম না, আমার এখানে অপশনই আসছে না।
কেন বলো তো, আমি নিয়ে নেবো?
হ্যাঁ আপনি একটু নিয়ে নিন না,
আমি এখন লাস্ট নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, যেটা আসবে ওইটাই ফাইনাল। আজকে মোটামুটি এখন তো বেড়েছে একটু, তাও 36-7 আছে, কমে গেছিল মাঝে।
আচ্ছা
ঠিক আছে, কয়েকজন করেছে প্রবলেমটা, করলো যখন দেখলাম, অর্ডার বলছে যখন।
হ্যাঁ দেখলাম।
করেছে, যাই হোক। So dear students, any question regarding test and quiz? Quiz will be objective type and short numerical problems. There will be options for answer, numerical answers. You have to choose.